We have a light colored sectional in our TV room, and today we're going to open up these two sofa covers and put them onto our sectional. Because our sectional is a non standard size, we got two of these love seat sized sofa covers. And see how stretchy this cover is? I think this will make it super easy to install over our cushions on the sectional. The first thing I'm noticing is how soft the material is. It has a nice waffle design that adds a bit of texture to the cover. So here is our sectional. It's a three-seater, but the third seat on the far side has a built-in chaise, which we love for stretching out our legs. Once we've removed all the back cushions, we're going to lay out the first cover across two seats, starting with the corners on one end. There's absolutely no effort to get these covers on, and like I mentioned earlier, the fabric is super soft on the skin. And now we'll put the back cushions over the seats, and that's it. These covers look amazing on our couch and actually fit perfectly. The fabric doesn't even bunch up, there are no wrinkles, and now we don't have to worry about getting our couch dirty with stains. We've actually sat on the couch for several hours with our little throw blanket that you can see on the corner, and as you can see, the cover stayed in place. We're so happy with this cover set that we'll likely buy another set in a different color so we have some options to change up the look of our room when the season changes.